Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in MiniMilitia with Facebook. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. After you are logged into your MiniMilitia accounts, open up your MiniMilitia app and make sure that you are inside this main page. After you are in this page, tap on the gear icon at the top left and under Account, you'll be able to see Login with Facebook option. Click on Facebook in order to log in using Facebook, and also you'll get 20 cash in return if you use this service to log in. Now tap the Continue button and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook.com account. Tap Open in the pop-up and tap the Continue button. Once you allow all of the necessary access, you'll be able to log into your MiniMilitia account via Facebook. If you're not already logged into your Facebook account, remember that you might need to enter your Facebook account credential, that is your email and password associated with Facebook. That is how you can easily log into your MiniMilitia account with Facebook. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.